Hi, my name is Nav and today I'm giving you 10 tips to make your first YouTube video. So let's get started with the tip number 1. So the tip number 1 is come up with an idea. So how you can get an idea? You can see some of the demos on the screen. Like you can go to YouTube search bar and you can search the topic which you want to upload, and you can see a lot of ideas which people are searching, and you can make that videos which people are searching. Otherwise, you can go to this Google keyword website, and from here you can see which type of topics people are searching on Google. Or the best thing which I do and a lot of content creators do, they go to other content creator videos and they go to the comment section, they read the comment section, and they can see what audience want from that content creator. If that content creator is not providing that content, you can make it and you can get views. So now let's move on to the tip number 2. So the tip number 2 is writing a script. So writing a script is the most powerful part of your videos, which will change your videos from this level to this level. So make sure you don't write long scripts, because whenever you write long scripts and you come in front of the camera to record those videos, you forget everything. So I prefer that you should write scripts like this, which have some bullet points and which you can memorize while you are recording your videos. So now let's move on to the tip number 3. So the tip number 3 is don't focus on the equipments. So I can tell you honestly, I'm using currently a smartphone, a microphone of $20 and a green screen. So you can buy this stuff from the description and you can create professional videos like me. Just make sure you have that passion to record those videos. So let's move on to the tip number 4. So the tip number 4 is your audio quality. Let's say your video quality is on 100%, but your audio quality is on 60% or 20%. Then your video will never get views or never get viral. Make sure that your video and audio quality is always at the top. Now, how you can improve your audio quality? Make sure whenever you record your audio, you should use a microphone, or make sure you use your mobile microphone, and then you can watch this video to make your audio more crispy and more beautiful. So this tutorial is already on the channel. You can click on the I button and you can watch this video. Now let's move on to the tip number 5. So the tip number 5 is whenever you record your videos, make sure you look at your camera lens and you make a smile on your face, because whenever you talk with the people or you explain something to the people, you should attract them. You should not make them feeling bored, because people watch your videos to learn something. But if the video is very boring, people will skip it. So people want to watch videos with attractive editing or the way you explain your videos. But to make your videos attractive, the 2 key points are make a smile on your face and make sure you see in the lens of the camera. So now let's move on to the tip number 6. Okay, so the tip number 6 is how to prevent fumbleness in your videos. So let's imagine you're recording your videos and you're not able to pronounce a word, or you forget your script and your video is totally messed up. So how you can prevent that? I can give you a tip. Make sure whenever you are recording your video, you should know what you want to speak in the video, and you should know the key points which you want to talk in your video. And before recording your videos, you should talk to yourself in the front of mirror so that you can practice the way you want to speak in your videos. So now let's move on to the tip number 7. So the tip number 7 is editing your videos. So whenever you are editing your videos, make sure you have everything organized. You don't have your timeline messed up like this. So I have already made the video that how you can edit your YouTube videos professionally. You can see that video by clicking on the I button right over there, and you can edit your videos without any complications. Now let's move on to the tip number 8. So in tip number 8, I can tell you, while editing your videos, make sure you edit some graphics like this, and then the video will be not much boring to the people, because whenever we record videos like this and we don't add any graphics, we just add a plain background, something like this, the people don't like that video. So make sure you try to add graphics on your videos, something like this, so that people pay attention to your video. Now let's move on to the tip number 9. So the tip number 9 is thumbnail of your video. So I have a tutorial on my channel how you can make your thumbnail in Canva and how you can make professional thumbnails in Photoshop. You can check out these tutorials and you can learn how you can make thumbnails. Now, why the thumbnails is the most important part of the video? Because whenever a person search our video or click on our video, the first thing they saw is our thumbnail. Because if our thumbnail will be professional, they will definitely click on our video, and then our video will be also professional. So try to make your thumbnail more professional and more beautiful and more simple, not very fancy like these thumbnails. Okay, so this is the advice of making thumbnails. Now the last tip number 10, which I'm going to talk about, is sharing your videos. So whenever you share your videos, don't share with your friends, those who don't have interest in your videos, because whenever they will watch your video, they will subscribe your channel, but they will only watch 5 seconds of your video because they don't have interest in that video. So that gives a negative point to YouTube and they will never promote your video. So make sure whenever you share your videos, share to those people who have interest in that category. So if you want me to create a video on this topic, like what is the professional sharing setup for YouTube, you can comment me in the comment section. I'll definitely create a video on that. So these are the 10 tips. You can take a screenshot. So guys, it's only in this video. Stay creative and peace out.